Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quick question before we start. Have you ever said a sentence like I won him in the match and someone corrected you, but you had no idea why it was wrong? If yes, you are definitely not alone. Today we are solving one of the most common English mistakes made by Hindi speakers, the difference between win and beat. By the end of this video, you will never confuse these two words again. So let's get into it. Here's why this mistake happens so often. In Hindi, we usually use just one idea for both these situations or dot. For example, we say I won the match, and we also say I defeated him. Both feel like the same emotion, victory. But in English, these are two completely different words, and they follow two completely different grammar rules. Win is one word. Beat is a totally separate word. And if you use them in the wrong place, native speakers notice immediately even if your sentence is otherwise perfect. So let's fix this once and for all. Here is the one rule you need to remember for the rest of your life. Win is always followed by a thing. An event. A prize. A title. Something you can achieve or receive. Beat is always followed by a person or a team. Someone you compete against and defeat. Say it with me, win an event. Beat a person. That's it. That is the entire secret. Now let's look at each one in detail. Let's start with win. Win means to achieve, gain, or come first in something. The pattern is simple, win plus an event, a prize, or a competition. For example, she won the race. Notice the race is a thing, an event. That's why we use win here, not beat. Let's look at 6 more examples so this becomes automatic for you. You win a match. You win a race. You win an election. You win an argument. You win a prize. And my personal favorite, you can even win someone's heart. Notice something? In every single example, after the word win, we have a thing, never a person by themselves. Keep this in mind because it's about to become very important. Now let's flip to the other side, beat. Beat means to defeat someone in a game, a contest, or a fight. The pattern here is beat plus a person or a team. For example, she beat her rival. Here, her rival is a person, not an event. That's exactly why we use beat and not win. Let's practice 6 more examples with beat. You beat a team. You beat an opponent. You beat a rival. You beat your competitor. You beat the champion. And you can even beat someone at chess. See the pattern? After beat, it's always a person or a team, someone standing right in front of you, someone you are competing against directly. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the part that confuses people the most. Look at these two sentences. India won the World Cup 2011. And India beat Sri Lanka in the final. Both sentences are talking about the exact same match. But one focuses on the trophy, the thing India achieved, so we say won. The other focuses on the opponent, Sri Lanka, the team India defeated, so we say beat. Same event. Same day. 2 different sentences, and both are 100% correct, because they're focusing on 2 different things. Let's look at some real mistakes I hear all the time, and fix them together. Mistake number 1, I won him. This is wrong because him is a person, not a thing. The correct sentence is I beat him. Mistake number 2, he beat the match. Also wrong, the match is an event, not a person. The correct sentence is he won the match. Mistake number 3, she won her sister in the race. Wrong again, her sister is a person. The correct sentence is she beat her sister in the race. Do you see the pattern now? Every single mistake happens when we put the wrong type of word after win or beat. Quick grammar note before we move on, both these verbs are irregular, so let's get the forms right too. Win becomes won in the past, and won again in the perfect tense. For example, I win every time. I won yesterday. I have won twice. Beat stays as beat in the past tense, yes, exactly the same, but becomes beaten in the perfect tense. For example, I beat him every time. I beat him yesterday. I have beaten him twice. That little word beaten trips up a lot of people, so make sure you remember it. Before the quiz, one bonus trap for you. Beat actually has another meaning too, completely unrelated to sports or competition. It can also mean to hit repeatedly, which is a much more serious context, so please be careful with that meaning in real life. But beat also has a lighter meaning, the rhythm of music. For example, listen to the beat of the drum. So always look at the context around the word beat before deciding what it means. Context is everything in English. Okay, quiz time. I'll read out 5 sentences, you decide, is it win or beat? Pause the video if you want extra time. Number 1, Federer ___ Nadal in the final. Number 2, she ___ the gold medal. Number 3, our team ___ the tournament. Number 4, he ___ his opponent in 3 rounds. Number 5, they ___ the previous record holder. Alright, let's check your answers. Number 1, Federer beat Nadal in the final. Nadal is a person. Number 2, she won the gold medal. The medal is a thing. Number 3, our team won the tournament. The tournament is an event. Number 4, he beat his opponent. The opponent is a person. Number 5, they beat the previous record holder, again a person. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Let's do a super quick recap before we finish. Win is for a thing you achieve, an event, a prize, a title, or an argument. I won the match. Beat is for a person you defeat, an opponent, a rival, or a team. I beat him. Same action, but to completely different grammar objects. Once this clicks, you will never make this mistake again. So tell me honestly, which one did you always mix up before this video? Write one sentence with win and one sentence with beat in the comments below. I'll personally check a few of them. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more English lessons like this one. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.